Want to delete multiple images on your Canon camera fast? Most users delete photos one by one without knowing the quick batch delete option. It only takes a minute to clear space and organize your gallery. In this video, I'll show you how you can select and delete multiple images on your Canon camera. So let's delete them right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Next, go to the playback icon 1. Now look below. Here you can find the erase image option. Now make sure to select this option. Then press the set button. Here you will get the select and erase images option. Press the set button to select multiple images. If you want to erase multiple pictures, press the set button to select the image. Then use the arrow button to select more. After selecting multiple images, press the delete button on your camera to delete. Then select OK, and press the set button to confirm deletion. And that's how you can select and delete multiple images on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.